Yung mga single tuloy, sana all. Paano naman kami, brother, mga walang asawa? God bless you. Ganon. Ganon talaga. Biro lang. Alam nyo, gawin nyo? Punta kayo kay Lord. And let Him love you to the brim. Serve other people. The ultimate purpose of sex is what? Life and love. Give life to other people. Tulong ka. I-channel mo yung sexual energy mo to other stuff, into building stuff, into loving other people. Tapos lapit ka kay Lord. Lord, mahalin mo ako. Lord, mahalin mo ako. I-ready mo yung puso ko para sa ipapadala mong tamang tao para sa akin. Hindi ko pamimigay itong katawan ko kapag hindi pa kami kasal. Treasure it. Amen? And then let love fill you to the brim, because the good life is having Jesus in your heart. Jesus loved you so much. He thinks you are worth it. He died for you because for Him, you are worth it. You're worth it. You're worth it. Kaya sa mga singles dyan, pag nakakaramdam kayo, dasal kayo kay Lord, mag-workout kayo. Kaya ang dami ngayon, nasa running era nila ngayon eh. Diba? Maganda yan. And then let God love you. Amen?